welcome back to the channel. I wanted to review a product that I received from Coco Eve. It is a super amazing luxury hair mask that smells amazing, and it works to strengthen, repair, and restore your hair back to its virgin state. All you have to do is shampoo your hair as normal, and then also rinse out your hair thoroughly, towel dry it, brush it through, and then put on some of this mask on your hair and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. If your hair is extremely dry, do this 2 to 3 times a week, but if you have normal hair, you can do it 1 to 2 times a week. If your hair is oily, I would recommend only doing it maybe once a week or every other week. Focus on the products towards the end of the hair and avoid the scalp where we get buildup of oil. You should leave it on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes, though you can leave it on for longer for better results if you would like to. You can also put it on as a dry mask and let it absorb for at least 20 minutes and sit under a hot dryer, or either put just a shower cap on and let it sit like that, and it'll gain the heat from your scalp itself. I definitely recommend this product. It also comes with a scalp brush that you can apply it into your hair with and massage your scalp, which helps the hair to grow as well. They do have a special where it's $44.90, but if you get the Besties kit, it's $69.60 for 2 of them, and you would get 2 of the mask and 2 of the brushes. Go ahead, guys, and check it out and let me know what you think of it. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, please drop them down below, and I'll be glad to try to answer them to the best of my ability. So I want you to go out and be fancy and be fabulous, and I will see you in the next video.